Hi dear viewers, in this video I will tell you how to create new folder on laptop and PC in Windows 10. It is very simple and easy way to create new folder in Windows 10. Before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel How to Tech and press the bell icon for getting notifications of upcoming technical videos regarding mobiles, computers and other technical information. If you like my videos, please also hit like button and also write kind comments in comment box down the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, open your laptop or computer and open the location of your laptop or PC where you want to create a folder. As I opened desktop of my laptop and I want to create folder on the desktop of my laptop. Then right click on empty place of desktop with the help of mouse. On right click you will see different options on your screen. Left all the options and simply click on the option new as I highlighted in red color. On clicking on the option new, you will see folder option on the top. Click on folder as I clicked. Now new folder has been created on the desktop of my laptop. Now you have to put the name of new folder as I write the name of folder How to Tech, and then I press enter button from keyboard. Now new desired folder has been created with its name. Now right click on recently created folder and then press open as I highlighted with red square. As you can see on your screen, new folder is opened. Now copy and paste any document, music or any file and use it. You can also remove this folder from desktop by cutting and pasting to desired location of your laptop or PC. I hope you understood today's video and you will like my this video. If you have any question, you can also ask me in comment box. I will try my best to answer your questions. So goodbye for today. Take care. We will meet again in next technical informative videos.